Go.
Hello everyone, we're making this how to build it.
How to make it?
Hello everyone, we're making Lego. My name is RJ. We're making a robot. We need a parts and this. One is this two this and
Ayan. Triple daw.
into this buy in the Lego store.
Ayusin mo. Extra si Lola sa video.
Buy Lego store.
Oh, ano mo
This is
na?
the wheel. It's rubber.
Wow. O, paano na i-combine?
This is the wheel. It's rubber. You put this here and another one. Put this here and here. This here. Make the arm. This is the head. The Lego set. Here. Put the legs here. This is the back side. Don't use the left side. This is making horrible. What this? What this?
Dali, connect mo na.
This here.
Tapos butuin mo sa pader.
Isa na mamaya na. What are you making?
A robot.
Oh,
The skeleton.
laksan mo boses mo.
Connect them.
Oh, wow, very good.
Wait, I know something. First this. Now circular. This thing.
What is that?
This
Salamin ko.
is a robot head. Put this here. This. We have a robot now.
Patingin. Wow, very good. Oh, what will you say to your audience?
Bye.
Laksan mo.
Bye.
Oh, ano sasabihin mo?
Like and subscribe. Bye.